confidence, much confident. We are able to programming like anything, and we have a technical knowledge. And always we try to gain the technical skills. If anyone will say that new things, also we are eager to do, and we completed the tasks very well, and we thought that we learn few things that's well. But after some over the period of time, what we understand is that English language skills are must. It's a very soft skills. I need to say the soft skills are required more and more to maintain the team and to grow in your career. Yeah, that's now also just we understand, and we got a few platforms. As I know that if we will practice 3 to 4 months, more than 4 months is fine. We will get a good English language. I'm thinking.
Ramesh, good afternoon. How are you doing?
Yeah, hi person. Very good afternoon. Yeah, I'm fine. What about you?
I am also doing good. Thanks for asking. And as we're meeting for the first time, could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Nagesh, and I'm from Hyderabad, and I completed MCA, and I have been working as a developer from last few years.
Okay,
And my
so
hobbies are coming to my hobbies. My hobbies are listening music, learning new things, and visiting new places.
okay, great. And so you have mentioned you are working as a developer. Like what kind of developer?
Yeah, I'm a full stack developer, Java with other technologies like Angular and React.
Okay, great. So how many years of experience do you have in that?
Yeah, I have 8 years of experience. Actually, when I joined as a Java developer, I got a chance to train on full stack, and from that point of view, I am working in few applications from end to end.
Okay, great, great. So what is the motivation behind you to learn this language?
Yeah, that's a good question. Actually, when I was pursuing studies, I thought that that English language, whatever we know, yeah, we are able to understand, and we are able to speak a little bit, and we are able to write responses to the mails and messages. I thought that this is enough, but actually, when we are coming to more than 5 years of experience in the IT industry, it's must and should essential as a fluent English speaker without hesitation, and we have much confident while we are talking with others, and while we are communicating with our team members. And a lot of times I faced issues like uh, in my mind some thought is there, even the thought I can't put on the table, in the team meeting table, and without I didn't make understand others that for me it is a very hectic situation, I can say, to grow in my career, as well as the people are not understanding what exactly I'm trying to say. That's why just I choose this platform to improve my English language skills. Yeah, it's very useful, as I understand. From last 40 days, I have been in these other applications, just like mobile applications. Those are just I'm connecting with audio. I
Okay.
thought that is there any video is available? Just Google it. I got to know that some YouTube channels are available. They are conducting video conversations. That will be more useful us. Yeah, that's just anyway. Today is Sunday. Yeah, we have to spend more time on our communication skills. That is my motivation behind that.
Wonderful, wonderful. Actually, I also faced the same thing. Okay, where I had well, I have a lot of thoughts in my mind, but I was not able to deliver that thoughts on the like other person. So in that, I was thinking like I was lacking in somewhere. So as a software engineer, we in the beginning we mostly focus on the programming skills, but not on the communication skills, right?
Yes, yes. Yeah, we are much confident, much confident. We are able to programming like anything, and we have a technical knowledge, and always we try to gain the technical skills. If someone, if anyone will say that new things also, we are eager to do, and we completed the tasks very well, and we thought that we learn few things that's well. But after some over the period of time, what we understand is that English language skills are must. It's a very soft skills. I need to say the soft skills are required more and more to maintain the team and to grow in your career. Yeah, that's now also just we understand and we got a few platforms. As I know that if we will practice 3 to 4 months, more than 4 months is fine. We will get a good English language. I'm thinking.
So you are on the right platform. If you spend like 4 to 5 months, and you will be become little bit more confident and more fluent than the previous months, and then later on you can continue with other conversation as well. Like you can pick a topic and you can have the conversation. That time also it will help you. And so in the like I see a lot of engineers, okay, out there who are not like who are struggling to get a job actually. Okay, so what kind of advices would you like to give them?
Yeah, yeah, you ask a good question. Actually, I like to explain about that. Actually, nowadays, what is happening is everyone is just people are thinking that if we will complete BTech and if we know something, whatever they know, they thought that this is enough to sustain in the IT industry. But the actual scenario now, what is happening is the companies looking for the students and the people who are productive. Now they don't wait till 3 months, even 2 months. Just they will give you 1 month training if required. You have to be in productive. The but when we joined, just that the scenario was different. They will try to give 3 to 6 months if required the training, and they are putting in the production. And even another 6 months or 3 months, if you are not productive as expected, that will be okay. But if you are continuously learning, is your attitude is nice, good, then the people are continue working. But just now the situation is if someone will ask BTech first year or second year, third year, what I am suggesting those guys is till you are coming out of the college, you have to learn any technology, and the technology is very perfect. You have to able to write the code. If anyone is asked something to write, then they need to write immediately. That level of confidence you have to gain. Just lot of times I will ask if someone is connected to me as a CSA, which technology do you like? They will say that yeah, I like front end technology. Then what is the what is the he said that yeah, I am interested front end. Then what technology you learn till now? I say just Java. They will cut that time. Why? Because of Java is not a front end technology. I
Right.
will ask again. I will ask again. Why you are interested in front end? Then why you go for Java? No, yeah, that is only in our academics. Just I will say that forget about the academics. Just go through. that what is happening in the market. Just if you want to learn Java, that is a backend technology, you have to learn till the frameworks when you are coming from out of the college. That time, the someone will be confident to give you a job or opportunity to you. Yeah, that's all about. Yeah, it's a very lengthy answer.
True. Actually, true. I agree with you. So people are just focused on the academics, but apart from the academics, I would also suggest them to learn one particular skill, whether it's a front end or back end technology. Okay, but focus on building more and more projects on that technology so that you will add your projects in your resume. Then, like interviewer can see your resume first. Then only after that he will going to ask the questions, right? So, so for
Yes, yes.
so for adding the projects in the resume, you should build that projects in one technology, the technology that suits for you and you understand that technology. And after building the projects, and you will like after that you will have that confidence also. You will able to solve what kind of problem that interviewer is giving to you, and you have that gain. You also gain a lot of confidence building by those projects, and it will help you to crack the interview as well. But if you mostly depend on the academics, and it will not help you that much. And do you think is there any competition out there in the market?
Yeah, the situation is very dry, I can say. Who are coming out of the colleges, even few people are having knowledge, and they didn't get a good chance to work. That is the situation is very dry. But and I can say one thing: even if they will get opportunity anywhere as a software engineer, we know that the find money is not an issue. First you have to gain the knowledge and you have to gain the experience. You have to habituate as an IT person. If you want to habituate, that is also a more critical. Why? Because we need to sit 8 to 10 hours daily. That we have to habituate, and we need to improve the soft skills as well as yeah, how to replay to the superiors. Everything they will understand within this 2 years. Yeah, if someone will get a chance to work in a small or any company, if they are eager to join and learn new things, yeah, that will be very helpful. Yeah, but I can say that the situation is not just like previous years what we observed. Yeah, then but if they want to join in an IT continuously, if they will learn the new technologies, and this is the time. What you need to think is anyway we will get a time to learn new things. Just they will need to work on that parts, just like technology or language skills or anything. Yeah, anytime, even for government jobs, how many days people are struggling. Just like that, yeah, anytime they will get a chance to work, as I know.
True, I agree with you. So even people who are not getting the job, so don't stop to upgrade your skills. So as a day progressing, like every day is going on, so we need to upgrade our skills. Like don't depend on the one skill as well. Like if you're lacking in somewhere, like in programming, in soft skill, so focus on that. So after you join the job, so we don't get that much to upgrade ourselves because we need to work on the like on the office as well. And apart from that, we have to maintain our family as well. We have to do a lot of things. And after that, so whenever we don't get the job, right, before that if we update whatever the skills we have, that's the best time, that where you don't have that family pressure as well, where you can upgrade, and so that you can learn a lot of things. And have you seen any kind of effect of AI on the jobs?
Uh, yeah, that is also a good question. Actually, yeah, I am thinking that nowadays we are also using ChatGPT and other tools just while writing the code, and yes. But what I am thinking is that ChatGPT and other AI tools in the future, I don't know, is will they accomplish all the things? But nowadays, those tools are not giving a perfect code to us. Even as we know, as a developers, we are using many technical words and many words to get the response from the chat GPT. Even sometimes it is not giving a perfect whatever the required response, it's not giving. But eventually I think those tools will improve a lot, as I know. But some effect is there, through the AI. And I can say one thing: as a developers, we have to know about the AI. How now we are developers. We no need language. What we thought is we no need language skills. But now what we are doing is that language skills also important to us to grow in our career. Just like that, that AI and the data science and how to use those tools is also important. Just like just like add on to us as a developer to continue as a developer. One more add on is just we have to know about AI tools and the technology, how it works. If any chance, if we will, if any by chance we will get we will, if we will get work on that technology, that is good. Yeah, we need to learn that, we have to work. Yes.
True, true. So with the AI tools like ChatGPT, where we are improving out of productivity, where before that, before AI, we used to spend a lot of time on searching on the Google regarding a lot of bugs
Yes.
that we are getting on a day-to-day basis. But if we right now, like previously, we was to spend 2 to 3 days on fixing the one bug, where right now we are not taking that much time, but it's like if we are taking 3 days back in those days, right now we are taking one day where the productivity of fixing the bug is quite improved after like adding the AI tools. That's right, right?
Yeah, exactly. That's right. But here, yeah, I am. I need
Hello.
to explain more. We are using ChatGPT to fix the bugs and any problems very quickly. But one thing, one
True.
concern I have here is before that, while we are using Google, we used to Google the problem like anything, and we used to read the articles, many articles, to fix that bug. At the time, what is happening is we learn something from those articles. It
Hmm.
will not. We are learning lot of things from that articles, and finally, as you said, sometimes it will take 1 day, 2 day, 3 days. But the
Hmm.
days whatever we spent on that issue, yeah, we learn many things from that issue, and that is helpful to us. But now, as you said, the chat gpt will give the answer, exact answer, few times it will give. If you will put that code into whatever the code is given by chat gpt, if you could able to use that code perfectly, that problem will solve. But you are not understanding where exactly the problem is happened, why this code we have to put here, that
Hmm.
that knowledge we are missing. Is it correct?
Yeah, yeah, it's true. Actually, it's true. So when we back in those days, we used to read a lot of articles and to understand the bug. Okay, so previously, but right now, due to the Chat GPT, if we let's say if we are getting a error in this line number, let's say like this line number, and we just copy paste that entire code into the Chat GPT, and it will rectify that code and it will fix that problem, and directly it will give the solution. Sometimes it will not work that much, but we are not focusing on the like if we are not learning a lot of things due to this AI tool. But I agree with you totally on that point.
Yeah, yeah. Is if if we will get any technology, and that is cool. Yeah, nowadays we can use chat gpt to write the code. But
Okay.
any problem, if sometimes what will happen, chat gpt will give iterative answers, just like whatever we are asking for that one, it will not give. Sometimes iteratively it will give the wrong answers. We are asking something to that, but sometimes it will not able to the it will also not understand what exact the problem is few times. That
Mm.
time we have to know very well about the technology, otherwise we will be struck like anything.
True, true, true. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But because before solving the bug, we must understand why it's causing the error, and we need to understand the piece of code as well. Like we need to understand the background as well, like why it is causing the issue. Is there any effect if we fix this issue in the future, like any other future in the application, right? So we need to understand the permutation and combinations of the bug, and later we can fix, and later we can do the unit testing of that application as well, and right.
Yes, yes.
And
Yeah, yeah,
so,
go ahead. Yes, sir.
and what makes you happy in life?
Yeah, what makes you life is I need to actually my goal is now I need to settle down as a businessman. Just I'm trying to my goal. Just I'm focusing on that goal. Yeah, anyway, we completed these many years in the IT industry, and I think if you need to come, if you need to continue more years, yeah, yeah, we need to think about that another 5 years or 6 years. I don't know exactly, but after that, we have to settle down, and we need to accomplish 5 years or 10 years as a businessman to do something.
Hmm.
Uh, that is my goal. After that, yeah, we need to think. That is goal. And if you will talk about exactly what makes me happy is just if I like to visit the new places, as I said, if any place is very wonderful, and yeah, I like to visit actually those
Okay,
places, and yeah.
got it. So you love to visit new places, so that makes you happy. And how many places have you visited till now in your career?
Yeah, that's our South India actually, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. We have very beautiful places. Almost I covered when we will get vacation. Anyway, on December month, 2 weeks or 1 week, we will get vacation. We get vacation. Those time, just I was used those the time from last 3 years onwards, Kerala, 10 days trip, and last year I went to Tirupati and Arnachalam. Actually, if I will say that if I went to vacation, but always what we can find in the vacation in our South India, always we will find the temples only. Apart from the temples and beaches, what we can find more? Yeah, people will think this is not a vacation. You went for a spiritual trip. They will say, but I said always. You thought that that's a spiritual trip, but the architecture and everything is makes me wonder on the days how they build the temples and everything. That makes me wonder. That's why I like to visit those places. Yeah. Anyway, in a bit, the spirituality is also there. Yeah, that will be refreshment, and that will be very cool. If you want to go any beach, yeah, a lot of times I went to Vizag.
Okay.
It's a very good place for beaches, as I know. The food and hotels are very good. That's why a lot of times we used to visit Vizag. And recently, this December, just I went to Tirupati, and then I go to Chennai. I the city I didn't visit Chennai till now. Bangalore, I few times I went to Bangalore to
Okay.
interview purpose as well as to meet my friends.
Okay.
Yeah, but north states only Nanded, Nagpur, and I got a chance to visit Guwahati once by project purpose. That time I went to Assam, Guwahati, and yeah, this time I came back to Hyderabad, and then again I went to Sirdi. Yeah, that is the first time I went to Sirdi. As you know that in Telangana also we have lot of places. Actually, we miss a lot of places. No one knows. Even as you are from Karimnagar, if you know or don't know, I don't know. But lot of places we need to cover. That temples are available. Usually, when I will get 2 days or 3 days holiday, yeah, I will plan according to that.
Great, great. Actually, you have visited so many places, and in your experience, have you faced like if you have that good communication skills, let's say in the beginning of the career, and where you will reach?
Yeah. Yeah, when I was pursuing the studies, if I concentrate, even when I was started my career, I got a lot of chances to improve my communication skills. But I didn't show much interest. Actually, the institute people and other people is also putting in a wrong, what we can call that one, in a wrong position. Everyone they are putting in a wrong position that in 1 month, 2 months, I will make you to speak in English. Uh, that's a
Yes.
blunder joke. I can say to them is, what is this nonsense? 1 month, 2 months, if one guy will make, one guy will able to talk in English, why these people are using these many days? I don't know. That time we are confident. Even we went to 1 month training and then come back and we are able to talk with that. But that not the scenario when we go to an MNC and if someone will give a chance to talk 5 minutes or 10 minutes, if you are unable to talk means that's over. Only 30 seconds. A lot of times people, our seniors and from other superiors from other countries, they will give a chance weekly 15 days, 5 minutes for each. We
True,
will accomplish our task, but we can't give more than 30 seconds
true,
about that
true, true,
future. We need to give, we have, they are expecting from us 5 minutes of explanation on the future. What we will show you just whatever we accomplished on the application, just within 30 minutes, 30 seconds we will complete, and then that's our demo is completed. What they decided is just they decided that these people are not able to communicate well. Even if they know, if we know the technology very well also, they decided if the guy know or don't know, we are not understanding, but the task is completed, he is unable to demo to us very well. They will think why,
true.
because of they need to give demo to their superiors. If we will elaborate that future very well, then they can explain more and more, otherwise what they can explain.
True, true.
That's the situation will happen.
As a software engineer, like whatever the functionality we implement, we should have the like we should have explanation, like we should explain the functionality that we did to the superiors to us, right? So then they will be like our superior will explain to the clients. Then in that way, they will like they understand the complete functionality that we have implemented, right?
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Have you like okay? So are you struggling anything in the life right now?
Yeah, if you will come to my life, yeah, I struggle a lot. Now I am okay, because of when I was doing BSc, I I thought that just I need to have to left my job, left my studies, and need to do some job. But but actually, anyway, we joined in degree. That's why we need to complete. Just I thought like that, and finally I completed my studies. Only in intermediate, I didn't go to college in it anyway. Only total 2 years. I think I went to 5 to 6 months, and then I decided to come to private college, and I joined in a private college. And that time, yeah, I don't want to fail again. I thought I decided. That's why I need to lift my studies also. I need to pass. Just I yeah very well. I completed my degree, and then I decided I don't know. I no need to go for studies again. I have to work somewhere. Just I came to Hyderabad, and I joined as a data entry operator, and yeah, I continue working. And I learned that time also. Just I was working as a night shift guy for 2 months. That time I joined in for hardware coaching. I like to do hardware and networking. That is also a good job, I thought. That's why just I joined.
Hmm?
And then finally I understand that anyhow, if we will complete MCA, some my relatives are suggest me that just complete our MCA, and then yeah, whatever the job you like, just you can continue on the same job, he said. That's why, yeah, that's a very opportunity. I joined in MCA. After that also I don't like to do the IT job.
Hmm. Okay, okay,
Yes. I
okay.
done 2 years, a lot of just don't want to go for IT job. I decided, and then I done other things for 1 year. Oh, after that, I realized why I already we completed everything, and we people will thought that everyone is he didn't pass it that MCA. That's why he is not going for any job. Just he is looking for other works. I know that I passed. Then I decided to join the courses, as you know, Ameerpet, and I finally got the job. Yeah, I
Okay.
struggled a lot when to complete all these things. Yeah.
Okay, so have you took the course in Ameerpet, right? So how many months of course you have did and what is the year of that?
Yeah, actually, 2014.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
2014 you have
2000.
completed course in Ameerpet and how many duration, like how much the duration of the course?
Actually, it's almost 6 to 8 months. But
Okay.
before that also, I went to coaching. When I was pursuing MCA,
Hmm?
everyone in the last year they will try to go for coaching. That time I went to coaching. After that, few of my friends are suggesting that they trained Hyderabad and they went to Bangalore for trials, and they finally they got job. That time they said, "Arey, why you are wasting the time? Why you are not joining in till in the institutes?" Just they suggested, and they took me the institutions, and yeah, I can say that my friends helped me a lot when I am in degree, when I am in MCA, and even to get the job.
Okay, great. So I also felt so many people like after doing the course like the offline course from the institute, right? After that also, how many months after how many months you got the job? Like
I
after
don't know. Just I decided. I don't know. Just I decided to get the job. That's why I went to Ameerpet.
okay.
I put a date. Till that date, I need to get the job. That's it.
Okay. So have you
I worked very hardly. I can say I worked very hardly that time, and only 6 months of period. Before that, I went to Java core and everything. I went to Spring and Hypernet. That time I decided. After that, I need to get the job. Just to complete the this course. Before completion of this course, I need to get the job. I decided, and I got a good chance here also. I didn't go anywhere. Chennai and Bangalore. Actually, I thought that I need to go Chennai or Bangalore to get the job,
hmm?
and Pune. But that time, I thought that Pune is somewhere else. Really.
Okay.
Yeah, in our India, in our country only, but that's too long. Oh, why even Chennai and Bangalore is 600 kilometers? People are there, our friends are there. Why we need to go to Pune? But somehow I got a chance to work in Hyderabad. That's fantastic. Yeah.
Great, great. Actually, you worked very really hard during the after completing the course, and then you landed in the job and big inspiration. I see a lot of people they are doing the course from like local institution, and after that also they were spending 2 to 3 years. They are still not getting the job. I can feel the struggle they are doing.
Yeah,
Right.
while we are in training,
Hmm?
what we need to do is exactly we need to follow them, and we need to ask them in yeah, I don't want to mention the names, but in the Ameerpet also a lot of lecturers are different from each and everyone.
Yeah.
We have to find that exact person. And
True.
anyway, my friends are helped me. And yeah, if you will go to this lecture and if you will continue him instructions well, then we will be land somewhere else. They exactly said that that thing is happened. Lot of people are other people are went to other coaching centers and with their own interest, there are different technologies. But yeah,
True.
anyway, we know Java. Apart from that, we don't know anything. Anyway, in academics, some Java is there, and we went to Java coaching in when we are in academics. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, why don't you? Yeah, why don't I join as a Java developer? People will tell that why don't you go for .NET? It's easy that time. And yeah, anyway, Java. I know. Why don't you go for hard subject?
Hmm.
Then I choose Java only.
Okay, great, great. So I felt like Java has a lot of future in upcoming years. Or do you think?
Yes, yes. Actually, we struck like anything. Now, from 2015 onwards, I worked in Java. But what is happened is, as you said, in our way, while we are in the office and while we are struck with one technology, it's a very mistake. I can say that we don't update ourselves. That is a mistake only.
Okay.
Yeah, we need to update ourselves. But now Java 21 came. I don't know, but lot of features are also using people now. Yeah, it's and apart from that, I can say one thing. Actually, Java is also developing AI tools, just like Python. How we have packages.
Yeah.
Using that packages, we are now able to create the more models and doing all the data processing and getting the output and prediction values. How we are getting just like that. Java is also developing. I heard this sentence 2 years or 3 years before only. I don't know exactly in the background are they developing or someone is developing anyway. It's open source. Someone
Hmm.
is developing on AI also. Anyway, if we are habituated to write the code in Java, that's we can't go for any other technology. Even I try to write in Python. People will say that even few lines of code we will get the requirement accomplished using Python.
Right. Right.
But if somewhere stuck in Java, we can come easily. We can fix that issue very easily. But sometimes in Python, other technologies, I don't know why. Because of we are working in Java, that's why is it easy for us, or I don't know exactly. But sometimes compilation errors everywhere we can get in Java. That's why we are able to solve the problem very easily.
Got it. Got it. Got it. So do you have any stress for something?
Actually, people will say that in IT, people sometimes they will feel stress. I thought that if I will get stress, I will leave this job. Why?
Okay.
Because of yeah, anyhow, sometimes we will get. Sometimes we are also looking for Fridays.
Hmm. Yeah.
We are also looking for Fridays. Where is Friday? But anyway, we need to be motivated to learn new things and to sustain. If you will look into other any other domains, there is very hard. More than this hard, where people will thought that IT is a stress industry. That's not correct. If any other industry also the stress is available. If you are not interested to do the job, then everywhere you will feel that is a stress. You
True.
have to be motivated like that. Otherwise, we'll be screwed like anything. Why? Because of anywhere we can't sustain now.
True.
If
True.
you will
True.
go, yeah, any everywhere the stress is there.
Yes.
Even in the IT industry, we are very soft skills we will use, and no one will scold like anything, no one will do anything. Just if you are not able to do, they will give more time, you have to complete the task, that's it. That is not a stress. As I know, if you are unable to complete, only one thing I can say, if you are unable to complete, first of all, if you will look into the problem, is this complete by myself or not? First question.
Hmm.
If it is 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, is not a matter. Are you able to complete? If you are unable to complete the task, just go to go to the colleagues and discuss. The
Hmm.
colleagues is also not able to help, then go to team lead. Even if he is also not help, then go to manager.
Hmm.
That manager is also not able to complete, then go to PM, just change the requirement, we are not able to complete this task.
True, true, true. Actually, agree with
That's
you.
it.
Actually, so there is a lot of supervisors on of us, so that if we are not able to solve the problem, we can connect with our upper leader as well as the PM, as well as the team lead as well. So there are a lot of people out there who can help us with fixing that problem. And you have mentioned you would like to do a business, right, in your future. So may I know what kind of business you would like to do?
That's a good question. Why? Because yeah, I like to go somehow like to go into a software industry only. But
Okay.
how it's possible? Just how much groundwork it needs, or anywhere. Some companies are also nowadays we are seeing some companies also providing to invest some money, and we can work in a position, and we can grow. We have to grow that domain or the technology. Yeah, I have to think more and more on that. It needs some more time and groundwork, where how the people are sustaining that industry. As a businessman, have to know more and more.
Got it, got it. And good luck for your business and good luck for your